Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to turn off two-step verification in Gmail account. So I'm heading over to my Gmail, and from here heading over to my profile by tapping the top right icon. And in here, go to manage your account. From here, scroll to the right and go to security. Now scroll down and go to two-step verification in how you sign into Google. Sometimes it might take a while to load, so have patience. And in here, you have to give your email ID's password and then just follow the prompt. I do. So as you can see, if I go back, I don't have my two-step verification on. So if you have it on, you can just go there and follow the prompts. So yeah, this is how you can just turn off your two-step verification in Gmail account. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.